Last summer, I was scrolling through social media when I kept seeing these mouth-watering seafood boil videos. Like many of you, I've always been a huge crab lover, ordering it at restaurants and making it at home for special occasions. But here's the thing, with prices going through the roof lately, my favorite seafood feast was seriously hurting my wallet. A decent crab boil for the family was costing me over $100, and that just wasn't sustainable. That's when I started noticing these viral videos about an imitation crab. Now, I'll be honest, I was skeptical at first. I mean, who wants fake crab, right? But after some friends kept raving about how they use it in their cooking, I decided to give it a shot and create my own budget-friendly seafood boil. Y'all, I was blown away. Seasoned properly in a boil, this imitation crab soaked up all those amazing flavors, and the texture was surprisingly satisfying. The best part, the entire feast cost less than $30. Listen, I get it. Change can be scary, especially when it comes to food we love. But sometimes the best discoveries happen when we step out of our comfort zone. So if you've been sleeping on imitation crab like I was, maybe it's time to give it a chance. Trust me, your taste buds and your wallet might thank you later. Ready to learn how to make this budget-friendly seafood boil that's been winning over even the biggest seafood snobs in my family? Let's dive in. What you'll need: 2 pounds imitation crab, surimi, 2 pounds small red potatoes, halved, 4 to 5 ears corn, cut into thirds, 1 large onion, quartered, 1 whole head of garlic, top cut off, 2 to 3 lemons, halved, 2 sticks butter. Now for the seafood boil. Seasoning you'll need: 2 tablespoons Old Bay seasoning, 2 tablespoons Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon paprika, 2 tablespoons lemon pepper, 3 to 4 bay leaves, fresh parsley for garnish. For the butter sauce you'll need: 1 cup butter, melted, 6 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and fresh parsley chopped. Let's get cooking. 1. Fill a large pot with water and bring to a boil. Add all seasonings, onion, garlic head, and bay leaves. 2. Add potatoes to the pot and cook for 10 to 12 minutes until starting to tender. 3. Add corn and cook for another 5 minutes. 4. Add imitation crab in the last 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook as it's already pre-cooked and just needs to heat through and absorb flavors. 5. While seafood is cooking, prepare the butter sauce. Melt butter in a pan. Add minced garlic, Cajun seasoning, red pepper flakes, and lemon juice. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. 6. Drain the seafood boil in a large colander. 7. Transfer everything to a large serving platter or spread on a table covered with paper. 8. Pour the hot butter sauce over everything and garnish with fresh parsley and lemon wedges. Perfect boil. Don't overcook the imitation crab. It just needs to heat through. For extra flavor, let ingredients marinate in the seasoned butter sauce for a few minutes before serving. Serve with fresh French bread for soaking up that delicious butter sauce. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days. A delicious seafood feast that won't break the bank. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people generously, and the total cost comes in at under $30. That's less than $5 per person for a feast that tastes like $1,000,000.